Do you know it's raining? That's the sound of rain. Yes.
No, come on.
No.
Talk to Daddy.
What? Oh, really? Really? That's amazing.
Tell Daddy.
I had no idea. Yep. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. You sound like Blake when he was a baby.
Oh, he's so silly.
You sound like Monkey.
What are you doing? Hi. Hi. I know. Hi. Are you wiggling? Is that Daddy? What? He's so silly.
Oh.
Yeah. We would listen to that all day. What are you doing? Are you done? Hi. Get in there, Joe.
What?
She likes it when you're right by her. Yep.
Oh, really? Yes.
It's Daddy talk time.
What? Oh. Really? I know, it's so exciting. Yes.
She's like, I was just screaming a minute ago. This is great.
Hi. Do you like kicking that stuff?
She does.
Making all that noise down there? Yeah. What?
Say, tell Daddy.
Are you hungry? You're gonna start screaming again.
Get your hands out of there or else we can't hear your dog.
Oh. What? Oh.
Oh.
Ow.
She's like, Daddy.
You getting tired?
Yeah.
You getting sleepy? Do you want to eat some more?
I love those noises. Hi. Hi, honey. Hi, baby girl. You look right at the camera. You're so smart. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Okay, I'm going to sleep now. Are you done talking? You're watching Daddy. My goodness. Yeah. Say goodnight. Say goodnight. Yeah? Okay, little girl. We go sleep now, okay? Alright. Bye.